Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can block someone because sometimes we need to block someone due to their inappropriate behavior or some other reasons. So in this video, I will show you how you can block someone on the Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Instagram and then you will see profile icon at the bottom right. Click on it, and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see setting options. Click on it, and here you will see privacy options. Click on it, and then scroll down the page and you will see blocked account options. Click on it, and then you will see plus signs. Click on it, and here select the person which you want to block. Suppose I want to block this person, click on block options. So click on block. So after click on block, you can see this person has been blocked. So guys, in this way you can block someone on the Instagram. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.